It's summer holiday time on the island of Sodor. Holidaymakers come from far and wide to enjoy the beauty of the island. It's the busiest time of the year for the Fat Controller's engines. Thomas was excited. The Fat Controller had sent him to pick up a special to deliver to Dryor Airfield. "What have you got there?" tooted Percy. "What have you got there? What have you got there? What have you got there?" Soon, Thomas arrived at the airfield. And hot air was puffed into the balloon. What will happen to us then? Fucking us. The balloon could be seen by everyone on the island of Sodor. Duck gazed at it for so long, he ran into the back of Stepney. "Why, 'tis a floating basket with folk in it," said Donald. "Whatever will they dream up next?" said Douglas. James and Thomas were waiting at the level crossing. They were still worried about the hot air balloon. "Fucking asked. Passengers should travel on trains," huffed James, "not in silly balloons." Then something big and round and red drifted straight towards them. "We're out of hot air!" shouted a voice. "Ah!" cried James. "What's happening?" Crash! Bang! Wallop went the balloon and landed right on top of James. He was so scared, he let out a huge burst of steam. "Well done, James," called his driver. "Your hot air did the trick." Oh! James arrived back at the station. There were lots of people on the platform. The Fat Controller was waiting too. "Motherfucking penis. But now the passengers will ride in the hot air balloon." The Fat Controller laughed. "You're right, James," he said. "But they will need a ride home. In a train." James was delighted. Taking holidaymakers to and from the airfield. Whenever James sees the red balloon, he whistles and sometimes, when he's asleep at night, James dreams he can fly too, just like the red balloon.